Upon receiving the items, Annette Tumusime, an area resident, says that the area is prone to malaria, which has claimed lives but also resulted into miscarriages for expectant mothers.
Some are died, but I don't know how their names. But you hear that we are going to bury a child who was dead from malaria. That is true. And abortion is because of malaria.
Janet Kusima says that malaria has drained their pockets.
Okusangoza irevana rundi basatu bana batano. Atuvoga mbugule bitimba buli mwana sente toina.
Beneficiaries say they wrote to the organization requesting for help in the fight against malaria.
Let's all sleep under mosquito nets. And mothers, make sure the kids we are giving these mosquito nets, they sleep under them every day.
Kisukuma Sub-County Chairperson, Local Council 3, Yowas Tabura, called on the public to properly use mosquito nets to fight against malaria.
Na waki mkuongera kusaba abantu bakialea bagenda kutunga obutinga batongera koli ensobe yono kuranga obutimba obwo batwara kugenda kusohera enso omuntu wendo twakuwata atwaira katimba ako hanyanja kasohera tukujja kumuteeka omubiragiro ebihanga nko kubikugamba.
According to Think Humanity Health Care Manager Pascal Mbajeste, their campaign is specifically aimed at eradicating malaria amongst expectant mothers, children under the age of 5 and the elderly.
We started this early enough, and our aim is to eradicate malaria among the pregnant mothers, children under 5, and also elderly people, because we feel these are the people who are prone to have malaria.